Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how to auto mass posting TikTok with my bot. With my bot right here, with the bot you can add unlimited TikTok account and unlimited content. First, you can add unlimited TikTok account. You should add account here. So enter your account. You should format. You should category. And then you should more. Okay. Next step is your video management. First you can first, first you will first you can add category uh, category name. Okay, next you should add video. You select video one PC. Yeah, select category to confirm. Yeah, you can add depression, add hashtag and remove hashtag. Okay, you can add tag product. Okay, you can add proxy on each account and multiple account. You can add static proxy and dynamic proxy. Then you can auto warm up account. Today I want to show you map posting TikTok to posting function. I should post video. Yeah. First you select account here. Next you can set up conversion. This is quick between us. You can choose 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah, check for account if it's error and 5 time content conversion. You can extend video, select video. Okay, you save, or you can get video from computer. Yeah, with a conversion per your account for choose 1, 2, 3. Yeah, choose one. Right, you can choose allow replicate content for between tag user. Yeah. You can tag ID, follower, and following. Must enter TikTok ID. Yeah, right. You choose random music. As you can uploading check music fast. Final step to start. Okay, wait a few minutes or software to work.